Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the environment. Confirm your PC recognizes the keyboard and that controller drivers are present so input layers don't conflict. Once done, download and extract a reliable mapping tool, then run it as administrator to avoid permission errors. You create a new profile now so you don't overwrite defaults. Name it after the game. This first action establishes the baseline mapping file and ensures you can test without changing system-wide settings. Now you map keyboard keys to specific Xbox inputs. Start with movement. Assign WASD to the left stick axis and use arrow keys for the D-pad or right stick depending on the game. Next, map action keys, space, shift, control, to A, B, X, Y, or triggers so abilities and jumps behave correctly. Make sure to set stick sensitivity and dead zone to avoid drift. Save incremental backups as you tweak so you can roll back if something feels off. You finish by testing and refining the profile in-game. Check responsiveness, latency, and button behavior across typical scenarios. If a control feels wrong, return to the mapper and adjust axis inversion, dead zone, or key assignments. Make small changes and retest. If the mapping fails, enable the tool's debug overlay to verify signals, and if conflicts persist, temporarily disable other input devices or reinstall drivers. This final path.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.